Morning. Today is Monday, April 12th, 2021. Our I Can for today says I can solve multi-step word problems. So we have two that we're going to write in our notebooks today. A little bit of writing, so be patient with yourself. Maddox's family donated 11 cases of potatoes to the food pantry. Each case had 12 potatoes inside. The food pantry already had 16 potatoes. How many do they have now? Press pause so you can go ahead and write this down without feeling rushed. I'm sure most of you can tell this is a multi-step word problem. We're going to have to do two things. We're going to have to do one thing, and then we're going to have to do something else. So let's start at the beginning. Maddox's family donated 11 cases of potatoes to the food pantry. Okay, let's stop. 11 cases. I'm going to draw 11 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could fit it. 11. All right, there are my 11 cases. Each case had 12 potatoes inside. So I'm going to put 12 in this one and 12 in this one. I'm going to put 12 in each one. And as soon as you start making the picture, I bet most of you saw what we should do. We should multiply because there are 12 in each. So I'm going to do 12 times 11. Now, some of you even know what 12 times 11 is because you know all of your facts. 12 times 11 is 132 if you know your facts. If you don't know your facts, you could do lattice for 12 times 11. It would look like this. 12 times 11. It's a two-digit number times a two-digit number, so I need two boxes times two boxes. This is good review. Corner to corner, fall out. Corner to corner to corner, fall out. Corner to corner, fall out. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Look, that sounded very the same, didn't it? Most importantly, now you want to stay inside your box when you go to slide down your slides. I slide down and I see 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 132, which is exactly what I knew if I knew this fact. Now, a too fast fourth grader may stop right there and say, oh, I got the answer, Miss Kirsten. The answer is 132. But actually, it isn't. Because let's keep reading. Don't be a too fast fourth grader. It said the food pantry already had 16 potatoes. So this was how many Maddox's family brought to the food pantry. But then they already had 16. What am I going to do with that 16 to figure out how many they have total? I'm going to have to add 16 more potatoes. 132 plus 16, well, 6 plus 2 gives me 8. 3 plus 1 gives me 4. And 1 plus nothing else gives me 1. So there were 148 potatoes in all. And that is my answer. Now, the two steps I had to do for this problem was I had to multiply and I had to add. So this is an example of a two-step or a multi-step problem. Lots of times it's not just one thing you have to do, but then you have to do something else as well. All right, let's try another one. Switch sides here. This notebook's a little bit smaller. Here's number 2. Number 2. Takeo has 2 large boxes and 4 small boxes of football cards. Some people collect baseball cards. Some people collect football cards. There are all kinds of Pokemon cards. There are all kinds of cards you can collect. All right. Each large box holds 50 cards. While each small box holds 35 cards. How many cards does Takeo have in all? All right, how many cards does he have in all? Sorry, it got a little squishy there at the end. See if I can fix it. Have in all. Take a minute, press pause if you need to, so you can come back and not feel rushed. Takeo has 2 large boxes, so I'm going to draw 2 large boxes. And 4 small boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each large box holds 50 cards. So I'm going to put 50 in this one and 50 in this one. Each small box holds 35 cards. 35 in this one, 35 in this one, 35 in all of the small boxes. The question says, how many cards does Takeo have in all? What do I need to do with these numbers? Well, I could add them all up. Or I could multiply. I could do 50 times 2. That would give me these 2. And I could do 35 times 4. That would give me those 4. And then add them together. So either way, you can do it either way you like. 50 times 2, I know that one. That gives me 100. 35 times 4, I don't know that one in my head. So I'm going to do lattice. You can pick any strategy you prefer. 35 times 4. 35 is a 2-digit number. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to slide down my slides. I get 140. So I have 100 football cards in the big boxes, 140 football cards in the little boxes. How many cards does he have in all? I need to take 100 plus 140 and add them together. And I end up with 240 football cards in all. That is quite a collection. And there's my answer. Again, the purpose of this is to go slowly enough and make yourself draw a picture so you take your time and show how you get your answers. We have big boxes, we have little boxes. Put the values in each box and then figure out how many you had in all. If I would have asked, how many more are in the little boxes than the big boxes? How many more? That means I have to subtract. And in that case, I would have done 140 minus 100. And I would say 40 more cards in the little boxes. Okay, it's like our bonus question that you couldn't see. All right, so that's what we're practicing today. Take your time, do your best. Please don't be a too fast fourth grader. Just take your time. Know that each one you do today will have 2 steps at least. All right, have a good day.